you're looking for a siding product, there are a couple of things that matter to you. You're going to care about whether it lasts and how low maintenance it is and whether it provides the design aesthetic that you want. And James Hardie really does all three very well.
Mainly we picked it because of the look. It looks really nice. It looks like you'd put cedar siding on without the maintenance of cedar siding. Vinyl just doesn't have the allure or the finish that we were looking for the house.
The colors are wonderful. It produces a look and a curb appeal that the alternatives don't have.
Fiber cement's really all we do. It's our primary business. We're the category leader. We spend $20 million a year in that research and development on everything from the raw material right through to the substrate. And it's important that those products perform in all climates that we put them in.
You can see it from a few houses down. If you see siding and then you see James Hardie Siding, there's a different texture to it, there's a different look to it.
We frequently have people coming in actually knocking on our door and asking us what the siding is, what the siding color is, what the trim color is. People really seem to be drawn to the house.
Color Plus technology is a proprietary paint technology that James Hardie applied to our fiber cement. We essentially paint the product in our own facilities, which produces a class-leading paint performance on fiber cement.
We had vinyl on the previous house, and washing that was a chore. I mean, you had to get some special soap for it, so the dust wouldn't stick to it. James Hardie, you just hit it with the hose and it washes right off.
You are investing into the durability of your home, you're investing into the value of your home, you're investing into a lot of different areas because of the stability of the product.
When you get it from Hardie, you get it all. Durability, low maintenance, and design.